Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're diving into something that may seem straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's real and it's here: AI-powered weapons systems. Yes, you heard me right. The US military is revolutionizing its defense strategies with autonomous technologies like the Bullfrog machine gun. Imagine a machine gun that can recognize and shoot down drones with pinpoint accuracy. That's not just cool, it's a game changer. Let's talk about the Bullfrog. This isn't your average machine gun. It's equipped with a 7.62 M240 mounted on a rotating turret. It uses AI and computer vision to track drone targets. Think about the fact that even elite marksmen find it hard to hit fast-moving drones. But with the Bullfrog, it's designed to take them down effortlessly. During tests, this system was able to shoot down drones with just a few rounds. Can you imagine how that could change the battlefield dynamics? The Pentagon officials were wowed by the Bullfrog's precision. Just picture this: a defense line that doesn't just rely on trained soldiers, but incorporates intelligent machines that can make split-second decisions. This system could be the first known lethal autonomous weapon in the US military arsenal. How crazy is that? But don't worry, there will still be a human in the loop when it's time to pull the trigger, at least for now. And here's something equally important: the military isn't just developing new tech, they're also evolving how they train soldiers. They're integrating counter-drone exercises into basic training. Just think about it. We're preparing troops to face threats in ways we never thought possible. With new threats from drones being reported daily, this shift in training signals the military's commitment to staying ahead of the curve. We can't ignore the role of drones on the battlefield either. These little flying machines have become pivotal in modern combat. The military is also looking at drones like the Anduril's Bolt and Bolt-M, tailored for tactical applications. They're not just for reconnaissance anymore. These drones come ready to deliver precision strikes efficiently. That's how warfare is changing right before our eyes. Let's break down the specs of the Bolt drone. It weighs just about 12 pounds and can fly for nearly 45 minutes, reaching ranges up to 12.4 miles. What's even cooler? It features autonomous tracking capabilities. So, whether it's identifying a target or engaging in combat, these drones are making their mark in the skies. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? The rise of these autonomous weapons brings about crucial ethical considerations. Should machines be making life or death decisions? That's something our military planners are seriously debating. They prioritize keeping a human in control. But what happens when we inch closer to fully autonomous systems? It could change the landscape of how we perceive warfare entirely. Comparing old military tech to new is like watching a movie trailer for a blockbuster hit. From bulky equipment to sleek, tech-driven systems, it's evident that innovation is driving change. The Bullfrog and drones represent a drastic shift in how we defend and engage in conflict. Instead of relying solely on traditional methods, we're leveraging technology to enhance our capabilities. The future of conflict is here, folks. As drone usage grows, military leaders are recognizing the need for effective countermeasures. Quick response times and precision targeting are crucial. The Bullfrog offers a low-cost yet highly effective solution for dealing with unmanned aerial threats that are quickly becoming a top security concern. Speaking of cost, let's talk numbers. Many traditional solutions for countering drones involve expensive missile defense systems. But the Bullfrog takes a different approach, focusing on standard ammunition that is far cheaper than high-tech munitions. This not only makes military operations more affordable but efficient as well. Now, let's not forget about other players in the market. The Shield AI's VBAT drone is stepping up its game too. It offers vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, giving it immense range while being able to loiter for extended periods. Just last week, it flew an astounding 140 kilometers while collecting intelligence that's critical for successful military operations. Drones are not just being utilized by the US military. Countries like Ukraine are rapidly adapting new drone tech amidst their struggles. They have moved past basic consumer models and are now focusing on purpose-built systems that can deliver munitions and gather intelligence with precision. That's resilience, right there. Experts are suggesting that the future of warfare will heavily rely on these autonomous systems. As drone capabilities evolve, nations will need to rethink their strategies to adapt. Some analysts even believe that we might see fully autonomous drone squads working alongside human operators on the battlefield. The integration of AI and robotics is pushing boundaries we never imagined. It's a fascinating time to observe how these technologies unfold. Just like how smartphones revolutionized communication, AI-powered projectiles and drones might very well redefine warfare strategies. But it's essential that we discuss the implications of these technologies with our communities. What do people think about AI in warfare? Many are concerned about the ethical dilemmas this poses. People are passionate, and their voices must be heard. As we navigate through this new territory, a transparent dialogue is key. And if you're just as curious as I am, stay tuned for upcoming technology seminars where experts will address these concerns and questions. It's a great opportunity to learn and engage with innovators in the field. Plus, a platform for public opinion is invaluable for shaping the conversation around these advancements. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each of you who support this channel. Your feedback is what drives me to elevate the quality of our content. While we explore technologies, it's clear that human engagement is essential to harness this power responsibly. Please share your thoughts, suggestions, and experiences in the comments below. What do you think about the Bullfrog, drones, and their impact on military strategy? Exploring these technologies comes with a sense of responsibility. As creators and consumers, we must approach this new age with caution. Understanding the implications and exercising discernment is crucial if we're to embrace innovation positively. It's not just about having advanced tech. It's about using it for the right reasons. Statistics show that AI in military tech can enhance decision-making and reduce response times substantially. For instance, implementing AI capabilities could potentially decrease operational costs by up to 30%. That's not just significant. It's a major shift in how we think about military engagements. Beyond the tech, we should remember the people behind the scenes. Stories of military personnel adapting to and harnessing these technologies show the innovation spirit of humanity. Their ability to embrace modern tools while keeping our values of safety and respect at the forefront is inspiring and humbling. As we delve deeper into AI and military tech, let's not lose sight of our humanity. Balancing technological advancements with empathy and ethical considerations is pivotal. The ongoing discussions in society about these technologies will shape the future, ensuring we move forward with purpose and collective responsibility as a guiding principle. Responsible innovation must remain the cornerstone of any technological advancement, especially in military fields. We have the tools to enhance, but it's crucial to ask ourselves, are we using them to build a better future or merely to escalate conflicts? Each of us has a role in steering this conversation to ensure accountability. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What concerns do you have about AI in warfare? How do you believe it can shape our future? Engaging with you is one of my favorite parts of this journey, and I want to make sure we build a community that discusses and debates these important topics openly. As we wrap up today's exploration into AI-powered military tech, I want to thank each of you for tuning in. Your involvement proves that together, we can navigate through complex issues affecting our lives today while also being excited about the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content, and let's keep this conversation going. Remember, the future is bright, and the possibilities are endless as technology continues to evolve. Let's embrace these advancements while keeping our values close. Together, we can ensure technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.